Recording. I'm recording. Oh my gosh! All right, hey guys. Before we start this video, the music credits is Spets. Spets made this beat called. Can we, bro? Can I make my intro, my guy? Yeah, guys. Before we start this video, Spets right here, the guy with the rich kid. Bro, we should step aside. He's too rich for us, my guy. He's too rich for us, my guy. John, run. He's too rich. He's coming, John. Run! John, what are you doing? I'm dead. Run, John. Run. Alright, yeah, guys. As we're saying, shout out to Spets. Please subscribe to Spets. He needs some. Yeah. He needs money. Yes. Alright, guys, and I'm pretty much gonna start the video. Man, Spets. You live. Because you're more.
Oh my god. They actually have that. Guys, look, I'm doing it's the 0-2 dance.
Stupid wall. Stupid wall.
Oh my
stupid wall. I like how he stopped stupid wall. Guy that beat me in a long time ago. Now
Wait, are you actually recording?
Yeah.
Oh.
Easy pick it. Bro, I'm lagging. Why am I lag? Look at it. Hold on, let me check my connection real quick. What? Water bottles of a human drink. Knife me right now. Come here. Stop resisting the law.
Owned.
Imagine getting owned. Imagine being me.
Okay, guess we're using guns.
Guns? Wait, you had a gun out though. Well, if you shoot me through that, I'm gonna cry.
That's what I'm trying to do. Oh yeah, like 5 HP.
Oh god, he's gonna knife me. He's gonna knife me. Okay, never mind.
Nah, I won't.
Bruh, if you fly, it's a death wish.
You saw nothing.
I saw Pokemon Go. That's what it's. I gotta catch those Pikachus. You know what I mean, my guy. Also, guys, shout out to Spets for making this logo. I pay him 70 Robux just cause yes. Why did you not KNIFE knife? Wait, I forgot the F. FE knife me.
What?
Target spotted. Come here, son. Stop resisting the law. Cringe. What? Yes, the FMG for once. A good gun. Yes. Oh, Spets. Oh, human Spets.
That was cringe.
No. Is it me, or am I blind as 2 birds?
No, you're as blind as 3 birds.
You're gonna regret saying that.
I know.
Tanker mode on. Strats, you gotta calculate when you guys play these games. You gotta do 360 with a 180 turn, and then you gotta. Okay, you're calculating. Run out of ammo! No! When you see an opportunity to knife someone, that's how I felt. Yes! I can't lose to a rich kid that has more Robux than the ordinary human being. Are you behind me? Target spotted.
God! I don't like this. I don't like this. What? Reach? You got that mobile reach, bro.
My guy, hitboxes.
You got the mobile hitboxes, I swear.
Into the end.
Oh my god.
Like and subscribe right now, or I will eat all your flowers in your garden. No joke. Walk up to your front of your
you
house.
eating flowers.
It's just a phrase that no
This
one
will
knows.
be your second. This will be your second video in a row where you tell your people like or I'll eat you. Like and subscribe or I'll eat you. Oh no!
Bro, that has to be the most pogger shot I've ever done with Springfield. Psych. Okay, you're smart today. No, he's not.
Outside. Oh god.
Quan shot. Dude, I'm gonna rage quit. No, I'm not. Cause I'm a pog gamer. Ah! What? What? Lag! Lag!
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Oh,
okay.
When you least expect it. Okay, I least expected that. Hey, you good, my guy? Did I just flick shot you at 1 millisecond speed? I found the imposter! Are you on a knife fight?
Yeah.
Let's see if you can get me off the golden gun, which probably the chances of you is not. That was the dumbest thing I've ever done. I pull out the golden gun in the middle of the knife fight. Bro, I swear I just saw you. No joke, I just saw you. Ah! Okay,
I can't get the HP. I can't shoot, dude. The op delay is like killing me. What? How did I
what?
bounce on that?
Alright, guys, I'm ending the video like this. That should really hit. Not gonna lie, my guy. You're not hitting me.
If I hit this flick.
Let's go. He's not hitting me. Just like that, he's not hitting me. Oh, the flick. Bro, that took you like 30 seconds.
I know.
This is how you end your video.
So I'm literally blowing my mouth. Alright!
Alright. Dun,
Yeah,
dun, dun,
360.
dun, dun. If you 360 me, bro, I'm rage quitting.
Actually.
If you beat me today, I'm gonna cry.
I mean, I did in those public matches earlier, so.
Yeah, I was crying behind the camera. Alright, he's missing. He's tricking me, Oh. Alright, he's going in for the knife. Little did he know. No! Huh.
Oh no.
Wait, now it comes down all to the knife. If I get backstabbed, I'm gonna actually slam my keyboard so hard that it's gonna cry.
Please do.
No.